So we're currently at a working day. That's over there. Where's that truck? So, and we have this fidget cube that he doesn't need no more. He's saying that's his. So yeah. So we have this fidget cube that he doesn't need, and we're bored. So we're gonna get a hammer, and we're just gonna destroy it, basically, right? Yep. So yeah, we'll be over there. We're about to do it. So yeah. So Josh is currently getting the hammer, so he can destroy this fidget cube. Hope it doesn't hit my phone.
I got this on this one.
But and okay, so here are the hammers, and yeah,
Here you go.
so we're gonna do paper, rock, scissors to see who's gonna hit it first, right, Joshua?
Yep.
So yeah, closer. Okay,
Everybody do it.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 I go first.
No, you said it was 3 times.
No, one.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
So move, Joshua, because it made down.
Okay.
Then you hit it. Joshua's going next. Go, just keep on going.
Stop it.
Go.
Oh!
Look at the ball.
Es mío.
The ball.
Era mío.
This started.
Eres mío.
Okay, let's try to put it back. You see it? Yeah, we just fucked this up. Oh, the ball goes there.
I know how it goes.
I know, it's
Oh.
Yeah, this don't work no more, so.
Wait.
Second time.
Wait.
Stop using it.
Yeah, it does work.
Yeah, those only do. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, get them.
Wait, what? I destroyed. Focus. That. And that. And they have nothing, right? Where'd he go? And he just come back. Oh, I took this off. Like the spinning wheel. That goes right there.
Okay,
Right there.
Okay, so.
And then this came off already.
So did the ball.
So yeah. Joshua.
I found the ball.
Okay, you don't want to hit it no more?
Yeah, I do.
Let's go.
Hey.
1, 2, 3.
Wait.
No, it's only one. Oh, there's a big ass thing right there. I'm gonna use the big one. Big one going in.
Hey, you did it twice.
So I just ripped
I gotta
that.
do it twice. I saw you.
Go.
Okay, I'm gonna do it twice because you did
Okay,
it twice.
go and be quiet.
Oh, shit.
That's it. What is this?
What? I don't know.
Look, it's like a piece of metal. Oh, you got the ball?
Yeah.
So maybe this will be the last one. I just got this.
Okay, and that's it.
Go.
This might be the last of it.
Okay,
Okay.
I'll be right back. We're switching locations because maybe the owner of the house will get mad. So it's gonna be the same view for y'all.
No, that's going up. That's
So yeah.
going that's going up in the air.
So I'm just gonna record. So yeah. This might be the last of it.
Move your head.
No, you can hit it right there. Okay, my turn.
How can I survive this thing?
That's what we don't understand. So, trying to make it better. So y'all can see, right, Joshua? Yeah, y'all can see that well like that. Some people coming. So, put this over here. Probably gonna destroy it all.
Oh,
Just sleep in a mansion.
Oh, shit. Fuck you! Oh, shit.
Oh, what?
Ah.
This hit Joshua.
Ah,
Where
my
did
leg.
you? You may have like a marca, right?
Yeah.
Go next.
Oh, shit.
That's the reason you don't have to be next to him. So Joshua next.
Bitch, I sleep in the owl.
Still hurts.
I don't sleep in the owl, but I sleep in a mansion.
So everything right here.
I'd be bored. I sleep in a mansion.
Left
Wait, you're
one.
missing two. You're missing two.
Oh.
Don't worry. Just go.
I was trying to destroy everything, right?
Yeah, then I'll go.
Bitch, I sleep in a mansion.
Oh, now it's my turn. Oh, shit.
Oh, so Joshua, go.
Oh, car coming.
So yeah, we're in the street because we don't want to. So Joshua, wait. Go.
Why should I be bored? I sleep in a mansion.
Yeah, that's probably it for that. So that's it for destroying that fidget cube. And we want to do a fidget spinner, right?
Yeah.
But we're going to try to look for an older one. So yeah.
My money, hell no.
So, peace.